Hello everybody, this is Jonathan. Today we're going to try bird's eye fried rice for the first time. Oh, not that bad. Sorry about the sound of wind because I got the fans on. A little warm today. Hmm. You can get these by itself or you can get them family size. You can probably get this anywhere, any kind of store, even Walmart. Sorry, that's my cat. It's really good. It's kind of odd. The vegetables taste good, won't with it? Done. I have to say, that is really good. Bird's eye fried rice. That is really good. I give it a 9.2. I hadn't tried all kinds of fried rice, frozen kind. This is frozen. Not yet. This is the first one. So far, it's a 9.2. You cook it yourself. Just don't put no seasoning on it. Just taste it. What do you think? Sometimes they're already seasoned, so this was already seasoned, so I didn't have to put anything in it. Besides, fried with oil, a little bit of oil. But if you get a chance to try bird's eye fried rice, really good. And please subscribe. And I'll do more videos like this, all types of food, if it's good or not, cheap foods. That's what I'm trying to do, so you could be on a budget. And thank you for watching.